Ever found yourself staring at your Beam wallet balance, wondering if you could actually use those digital assets in the real world for everyday expenses? Maybe you're thinking about paying bills, buying groceries, or just treating yourself. The question on your mind, and probably a lot of other Beam users' minds, is this: can you withdraw directly from your Beam wallet to your bank account? That's a fantastic question, and it gets right to the heart of the utility of any cryptocurrency wallet. In today's digital age, the ability to seamlessly move value between different platforms is crucial. So, let's dive into the specifics of Beam Wallet and its withdrawal capabilities. Beam, as a privacy-focused cryptocurrency, prioritizes user anonymity through its innovative Lelantis Mimblewimble protocol. This focus on privacy extends to the design and functionality of the Beam wallet. When we talk about withdrawing to a traditional bank account, we're essentially bridging the gap between the decentralized world of cryptocurrency and the conventional financial system. Direct withdrawals from Beam Wallet to a bank account are not a standard, built-in feature at this time. Beam Wallet is primarily designed for managing and transacting in the Beam cryptocurrency. Traditional banks operate within a regulated framework that often requires detailed transaction information and identity verification, which can sometimes conflict with the privacy-centric nature of cryptocurrencies like Beam. However, this doesn't mean your Beam assets are locked away indefinitely. There are several indirect methods you can explore to convert your Beam into fiat currency that can then be deposited into your bank account. One common approach involves using cryptocurrency exchanges. These platforms act as intermediaries, allowing you to trade your Beam for other cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin or USDT, which often have more direct fiat pairings. Once you've traded your Beam, you can then sell the resulting cryptocurrency for your local currency on the exchange and initiate a withdrawal to your linked bank account. Keep in mind that this process usually involves creating an account on the exchange, completing any necessary KYC, know your customer, verification, and potentially incurring trading and withdrawal fees. Another avenue to consider is peer-to-peer, P2P, platforms. These platforms connect buyers and sellers directly, allowing you to find individuals willing to purchase your Beam for fiat currency. While P2P trades can sometimes offer more favorable rates, it's crucial to exercise caution and use reputable platforms with escrow services to minimize the risk of scams. Finally, as the cryptocurrency landscape evolves, new services and solutions are constantly emerging. It's worth staying updated on any potential integrations or third-party services that might facilitate easier conversions between Beam and fiat currencies in the future. The regulatory environment surrounding cryptocurrencies is also dynamic, which could lead to changes in how these types of transactions are handled. So, while a direct, one-click withdrawal from Beam Wallet to your bank account isn't currently available, you have options through exchanges and P2P platforms to access the value of your Beam holdings in the traditional financial system. Remember to research the platforms you choose, understand their fee structures, and prioritize security in all your transactions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.